Morning everyone, John for Popeye's Postcards. It's a Saturday morning. I'm actually heading to a yard sale. I don't do yard sales. If I do, I don't go for postcards because very rarely do I ever see advertising for postcards at yard sales. So there was one this morning about 10 miles from my house. So I thought I'd give it a shot. Sorry for the bumpy road. Who knows? It was actually advertised starting yesterday, so I have zero, I guess, hope or whatever you want to call it, that they'll still be there. But figure I'd give it a shot. Maybe there's something else along the way. So this could be very well a extremely short video, because this is the only thing on my agenda. I don't think Goodwill's open where I'm going till another hour and a half or so. So, see what we find. If anything. Probably nothing. So 12 times 8 is that 96? 96. Okay, well, I bought the album I showed you, 18 bucks, 96 cards, comes out to 20 cents, a little higher than I would pay normally for those cards. I'll probably throw them in my dollar box and eventually get my money back. I'll go up here. They had more postcards the day before, but sold them all. So I'm just going to drive around, see if I see any other yard sales. I gave them my business card there, like House Clean Out. They used to own an antique store. So who knows? Maybe someday that'll turn into a source. But other than that, nothing real exciting about that. Overpaid for mediocre cards that maybe someday... I just missed my turn. Or made the wrong turn. So, but at least I found some postcards at a yard sale. I'm going to head up through town. I'm in Middletown, Maryland. Really neat old town. It's where all the rich people from Baltimore and DC would come back in the late 1800s, early 1900s. Because supposedly this area, up in the mountains a little bit, it stays cooler, probably 20 degrees cooler in the summer than like DC, Baltimore. So I'll show you some of the houses up here. They're just incredible. So if you like old Victorian architecture, some of these houses along here, just gorgeous old houses. Again, this is where the rich people from Baltimore and DC used to come to spend their summers. Love to see what type of old stuff is in there. So Middletown, Maryland, it's growing up from what it used to be. Now we get into the the not so nicer section. It's the other side of the street. Maybe not so as impressive, but I always thought these houses were very nice, gorgeous houses. Is that Tudor? I don't know. And then they, of course, put brand new construction too. Okay, well, I'm gonna head home here and call it quits for the day. So my little town, it's bulk trash pickup this week. I bet Blue Bus Dave and Taco Stacks would just have a hell of a time here. Just stuff everywhere around here. Old Oregon. And I'm just fascinated with those two people's channels. The stuff they find is amazing. So maybe I should change it to Popeye's Postcards, Scrap and Trash. What do you think? I think that has a good ring to it. But I don't want to get into that. I have enough stuff already. Although it looks like I need a new toilet. Nice. That's all.